DJI is a prominent name in the drone scene. Every year, we get to see multiple drones, from fully professional to lightweight. DJI got everything under their sleeves. But for quite a few years, we were noticing minor upgrades in newer drones. From a consumer point of view, it's really frustrating. When we were looking into the latest rumors about the DJI Mini 4 Pro and Air 3, we tried to merge the rumors with our logical wish list. So today, we're going to talk about our predictions and expectations for these drones. DJI Air 2S was released in 2021. It already has a better foldable design that is pretty compact. The US and EU are always changing rules about flying certifications. Currently, Air 2S weighs around 595 grams. To add a bigger camera and additional sensors, the new Air drone needs to have a slight change in the body shape. It takes 2 to 3 years for DJI to change the design, so they should try to make a sub 500 gram design that falls under the EU open category. As electronics are getting smaller and smaller, it's quite possible to weigh down some less. Now, if we talk about the sensor, Air 2S has a 1-inch CMOS sensor which is capable of running 5.4K videos at 30 FPS and 4K at 60 FPS. We are hoping to see a new sensor, perhaps a 4x3 CMOS sensor with a physical aperture. This sensor can easily produce 5.7K 60 FPS footage, and the nighttime recording should be improved due to the new night mode DJI introduced in Mavic 3 Classic. In terms of other important features that a drone must have, we should get upgraded ones. Instead of obstacle sensing in 4 directions, we may see the new omnidirectional sensing, Active Track 5.0 and APAS 5.0. It's hard to manage a bigger battery in a more compact body. The Air 2S has up to 31 minutes of flight time, so if DJI manages to bring the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus from Mini 3 Pro, we may get to see a flight time of 45 minutes or maybe more. Considering all the upgrades, you may think of a hike in price, but we expect DJI to keep the price the same as the Air 2S's launch price. By doing this, more people will try to get into semi-professional drones and thus benefiting the overall DJI brand. If we take a look at the DJI Mini 3 Pro, we'll see it's very small in size. Basically, the Mini 3 Pro is the same size as any modern smartphone when it's folded up. It features larger propellers than its predecessors and supports aerodynamic body tilt. Weighing only 249 grams, it fits into the micro drone category, no need to take any test for certification. We are not hoping to see any major body design changes in the Mini 4 Pro. Mini 3 Pro comes with a 1/1.3 CMOS sensor with an aperture ratio of f-stop 1.7. By no means it's a bad sensor, but if DJI can squeeze the 1-inch sensor from Air 2S, it'll be a blast. This 1-inch sensor is capable of shooting 5.4K at 60 FPS, so Mini 4 Pro will also be producing the same quality footage. In this compact body, vertical video recording is a well-used feature, but all the obstacle sensors go offline when the vertical mode is enabled. So, we hope DJI will fix this issue and enable it for all modes regardless. Other features like the 3-directional obstacle sensor, active track, and internal storage should also get the necessary upgrades. DJI should try to add a 360-degree obstacle sensor in the body to cover all the blind spots. Internal storage was a bit of an issue in the Mini 3 Pro, so more storage like 4GB or even 8GB can resolve everything regarding storage. Battery life is also a concern. The problem is that the battery plus increases the drone's weight. So if DJI managed to provide improved battery life in Mini 4 Pro without increasing the weight, that would be pretty cool. In terms of price, it should be the same as the DJI Mini 3 Pro. We've seen over the years, DJI always tries to keep the price reasonable for micro drones, so we are pretty optimistic. DJI Air 2S is still a top-notch drone you can get right now, but as we're expected to see a successor, we are hoping for an upgraded sensor, improved shooting capability and stability, and not to mention the battery life. On the other hand, DJI's Mini series is the best compact drone you can have in the market. With the Mini 3 Pro, which was released this year, DJI managed to push its performance even further. If we are getting the next mini drone, it should come up with a larger sensor, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, improved battery life, and durability. After checking all the rumors, expectations from fans, and DJI's timeline to release a new product, we're really close to getting a success in next year. And it's worth the wait for these major improvements. So, what do you think about our predictions? If you have your own wish list, share with us in the comment section down below.